Our country is a developing country, and as we know that for a development country like ours, we need industries. So we are also going through a phase of industrialization. And if we talk of our state Gujarat, Gujarat is highly industrialized. We claim that we are number one in our country. So far, along with the industries, we also face some issues regarding pollution problems which hampers our environment. So we started with the concept of endopipe, and that is treatment facilities. Good that again Gujarat is leading in providing effluent treatment plants. At common level, we have more than 33 places common effluent treatment plant, and we have created almost 1600 MLD capacity of our treatment facilities, along with for solid waste disposal and also the disposal of treated wastewater. But these schemes, if you know, is very costly, and it requires not only capital investment, but then there is also operation and maintenance cost. So a concept was evolved by UNIDO long back in the year 1999 about why can't we have something before pipe, and they call it resource efficiency and cleaner production. They approached to government of India in the year 1999, and then they selected Gujarat as one of the state where we can also develop this concept. So we started doing these activities right from 1999 under technical guidance of UNIDO. It was at that time part of GIDC. Now it is a separate entity established by Industries and Mines Department of the state government. Basically, we are promoting, the concept of cleaner production through awareness program, through training program, and one of the important is that we are also working on the cleaner production assessment, and we call it resource efficiency and cleaner production. And we are covering almost all sectors of the industries like pulp and paper, dyes, intermediate ceramic, agrochemicals, and all that. So we are also part of RECP network of UNIDO, wherein there are almost more than 68 countries, and we are also part of a member of CTCN, which is a branch of UNFCCC. We have been working with GIZ Germany, UBA, that is a German Federal Environment Agency, and also institute like World Resource Institute. So basically, with this concept, the state government has also included cleaner production as a subject at a graduate and postgraduate level of engineering. 100 marks paper is there. Also, we are assisting the industry department in framing industrial policy, which is basically aimed to give financial assistance to the industry for implementation. And also, state government has instituted cleaner production award, which is given to the industry who has done exemplary work of implementation of cleaner production. So, in all put together, we are also a part of resource efficiency and cleaner production under ENVIS network of MOFMCC, where all these promotional activities are going on. And I believe that with the concept of this proactive, we will be able to achieve a very high growth, and we can lead not our country but our country to the world as well.